Hello everyone, back again with About Man. Striped skin due to frequent sun exposure can of course make the appearance less than perfect. Usually, the areas of the body that often experience this are the face, neck, arms, and legs. Unfortunately, when the skin is striped, it will take a long time to be able to restore it to normal. Having striped skin is really annoying. The reason is, choosing a beautiful and cute outfit is even more difficult because the options are quite limited. Want to wear short sleeves, afraid that other people will see the striped skin. Even wanting to wear pants or short skirts is also impossible if the skin in the leg area is already striped like zebra skin. Frequent activities in the sun can make the skin become stripes. Exposure to ultraviolet UV rays from the sun can make skin that is not protected by clothing eventually become darker than skin covered by clothing. This condition can make you feel insecure when you want to wear open clothes, right? Sunlight emits UVA and UVB rays, which have a negative impact on your skin. If you are often exposed to second radiation, ultraviolet in this case, you are at risk of experiencing skin problems, ranging from burning, dry, wrinkled skin, experiencing premature aging to skin cancer. That is the reason you are advised to apply sunscreen or sunscreen before outdoor activities. However, the human body's skin has the ability to protect the body from harmful UVA and UVB rays. When exposed to sunlight, the body automatically produces a pigment called melanin to repair and protect cells damaged by radiation. Melanin is the pigment that makes skin color darker. The more often exposed to sunlight for a long time, the more skin cells are disturbed, thus skin color getting darker. Not only sun exposure, striped skin color is caused by several other factors. Exposure to pollution that occurs continuously can also make the skin color discolored. Reported from Dermalogica, contained particles and dirty air can cause brown spots on the skin, which are often exposed to pollution. Hormonal changes in the body can also cause a person to experience a patchy skin color. Striped skin color caused by hormone changes commonly experienced by pregnant women or women who use contraception. However, discoloration of the skin that becomes striped can also be caused as a reaction to the use of cosmetics that are not suitable for the skin type. The good news: this blackened skin can return to its original skin color. However, you need quite a long time, about a few weeks to months, for the melanin to disappear from that part of the skin. Know the ways you can do to even out the color of the stripes, namely, reported from Healthline, the use of sunscreen to even out skin tone is considered quite effective. So, don't forget to always use sunscreen when you are going to do various outdoor activities. Take your pick sunblock, which can be used for daily activities that protect the body and face from exposure. Just cleaning your face is not enough. You need to exfoliate or exfoliate dead skin cells. To overcome the problem of differences in skin color due to sun exposure, reported from Dermalogica, you should routinely exfoliate your face with products that contain serum and moisturizer in it, so that your skin is healthier. Reported for Healthline, treatment from within is also needed to solve the problem skin color, which is uneven. It is better to meet the needs of fluids in the body so that the body is properly hydrated. Apart from sunscreen, don't forget to regularly use moisturizer on your skin, not only on the face. Use moisturizer on all parts of the skin that are often exposed to direct sunlight. It's best to deal with the problem of striped skin. You also need to avoid certain foods, such as alcohol, spicy foods, foods high in sugar content, and also fatty foods. Change a dietary habit, become healthier by consuming foods that contain nutrients and good nutrition so that the skin is healthier, so that it avoids uneven skin color. Vitamin C is an antioxidant to protect you from exposure to free radicals, which is one of the causes of uneven skin tone or stripes. Find a fairly high content of vitamin C in citrus fruits, kiwi, and strawberries, according to the About Man team. That's the way to deal with stripes. If you have questions or something you want to discuss, the comments column is always waiting for you.